This week on Yankee and the Brave.
Back at it like a crack addict, Mr. Black Magic, crack a bitch back. Chiropractic, craftmatic, big daddy smoking big Cali in a black alley in a black granddaddy rolling down old natty how napping Matty as a black granddaddy all back, no capping fat black boat captain stay floating, no flapping wave runner. I'm a gunner, I'ma have your block hot as a sauna all summer, and I put that on Osama and my motherfucking mama. I'ma terrorize the actors playing like they want some drama. I'ma chop 'em with a chopper till I motherfucking drop.
Stack addict or Mac with the blackest fabric. I'm back, I'm magically racking it. That's when I'm ducking rat-a-tat-tats. I'm running the truck over sucker shit. Matter of fact, it's the ass and even the crack. Automatic facts, it's like that. Scam of bliss when you put in feelings in charge of shit. All of us targeted, all we doing is arguing. Harder to miss it work until every pocket's been picked and sold and harvested. I'm ready to mob, but these fucking charlatans. Hearts fried, all this neon is ripping us up inside. Immortality's out of bounds, it's a one-round ride.
I got 1 round left, 100 cops outside. I can shoot at them or put one between my eyes. Chose the ladder, it don't matter, it ain't suicide. And if the news say it was, that's a goddamn lie. I can let the pigs kill me, I got too much pride. And I meant it when I said it, never take me alive.
I got the granddad running in the alley outside. The mic will run like you hungry and get your ass in a ride. I'd rather have and not need you than watch your rotten demise. And you still owe me, but I'm nice, you do not get to just die. You try to fuck with my brother, you get the bastard surprise. And that's more honest than your whole life in a fraction of time. I didn't get my degree on how to smoke weed till I'm blind, so you can ruin my high. You wanna do when you buy.
My brother made a point, so out the back door I'ma slide. A chubby husky thigh scrubbing, fucking up my Levi's. So crooked copper got the dropper, I put lead in his eye. Plus we heard he murdered a black child, so none of us cried. Yankee and the Brave are here, everybody hit the deck. We don't mean no harm, but we truly mean all the disrespect for.
This is the story of a couple of small-time hustlers framed by crooked cops and forced to make a run for their lives. Nothing but a bag of money, a stolen Buick Grand National, and each other to their names. They ain't friends exactly. These guys have a better chance of killing each other than beating the odds. No, sir, they're brothers. And when the chips are down, I really don't think you want to bet against them. Yankee.